Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Pontiac GTO hardtop made by Highway 61 at a 1/18 scale. If you like Pontiacs just like I do, don't forget to subscribe my channel and to see this video to the end of it, because we're going to take a full look at this car. So don't forget to like it and to click the bell for news and to share this video. Let's unbox it and take a better look at it. Okay, and here we have the GTO, the 66 GTO. This car is made by Highway 61 in a 1/18 scale. It's a very nice model car, is one of my favorites actually. By the way, the 66 and 67 GTO are my favorite GTOs of all time. I like all of them actually, but 66 and 67 are quite special. I like those vertical headlights that in this model car are made with such realism, as well as a trim around them, grill, a GTO badge, the auxiliary lights, the bumper. Everything in this car is really awesome. I like this car a lot. And as we pop the hood open, we can see this 396 engine made in blue. The engine bay, the hinges, the hood itself, all the details, the front panel, the latch, everything is really done correctly in this car, just like the battery right here with all cables and wires and all that stuff that's supposed to be in here. It opens and closes correctly, and Highway 61 really does a very good job at that. The windshield wipers and the windshield, as well as the trim around the windshield, are very well made. I really like this antenna as well. The trim around the windows. The vent window is fixed, but it's really very accurate, very well made. Door handle and the door lock, as well as the trim below the bottom line, and the trim around the wheel well, which is very well made, is really fantastic. The wheels and tires are correct. I really like those red stripes, and I like the wheels the way they're made. They're aluminum color with this chrome rim and this small hubcap with all screws, which is made in chrome and black. So this is really nice. The GTO badge right here in the fender, and as we open the passenger door, we can see this very nice dashboard with carpet, adjustable seats. They actually tilt, seat belts, stick shift, complete dashboard with all buttons and knobs, radio, glove compartment which actually opens and closes correctly, sun visors, internal lights, and a headliner which are correctly made, seat belts. All details we can find in a real car, we find in this model car. The vinyl roof is made with such perfection. We don't have only painting but a texture as well. The trim around the rear window, the rear deck, the trunk and the trunk lid, tail lights which are very realistic, as well as this Pontiac logo here that's made in a photo etch style. The trunk lock, and as we open the trunk, we can see it's very well made inside with spare tire, jack, a mat, factory stickers, so everything that's supposed to be in a real car. And a very nice surprise we find only in Highway 61, ERTL, Authentics, and GMPs. As we tilt the rear license plate, we can find a gas cap right here. That's very nice. Dual exhaust. The bumper is perfect. There are no cast markings at all. When we open the driver's door, we can see the steering wheel, can take a better look at the dashboard, which is perfect. It's a real nice car. I really like it a lot. As we look at the bottom, it's a body and chassis car, so we can see all details of chassis, the drive shaft that actually turns as I turn the rear wheels. I'm turning the rear wheels and it moves. Steering system that actually works, working suspension both in front and rear, the mufflers, the gas tank, every single detail in this car is very well reproduced and very well made. I really like Highway 61, the way they make cars, the way the cars they reproduce, and all that stuff that belongs to this brand. So from 0 to 10, I would give a strong 10 to this car, really. I think it deserves. I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, and for subscribing my channel. Please don't forget to take a look at my Facebook Diecast channel page in the next video. Goodbye.